Hello, my name is Shaurya and today I am going to share some games with you that I have made on my own. So let's see. Hello, so you can see my game Bubble Shooter. I will run this to show you how it works. I think it was a kernel problem. So okay, I will open it once more. It will take 2 minutes. Okay. Yeah, it opened. So you can see there's a spaceship that can move in X direction and there are some bubbles falling down. So if I want to go, I will go here and shoot it with bullet. And my score at start was -3 as I started it late. I will just hit every bubble. So if a bubble touches me, then I will lose my point, 1 point. See, my score is going down. So to gain more points, I need to be near the bubbles and shoot them. So this was all about my bubble game. The next thing I'm gonna show you is an AI. So let's see. So yes, this is my AI. I'll run this to show you how it works. It prints hello sir. I will write hello. It can open many things such as open binge, and it cannot open apps as it is a web-based AI. As you can see that it is on collaborative, that is on web. Okay, so it can open many web-based services such as YouTube. I will write open YouTube. Okay, it will print this. So this is the URL. But in a user-friendly manner, a person will type, please open YouTube. I'll press enter. See, the same URL comes here. You can see YouTube gets open. The next thing it can do is, it can open many other web-based services like YouTube, but it is not possible to show you everything in this video. So I'll go to the next thing about this AI. So it can, as it is an AI, it has a brain, and why it has a brain? To store something. So there are 2 ways to store something in it. So the first way is not a user-friendly manner. I will just write robot search. You can see it prints. You can print what is search. I want to search the username. If this is inside the brain of this AI, at default it should print the username. You can see it prints Shaurya. This is my name. So the second way to input something is we can write did you know. So as you can see, it is a type of user-friendly way. I will write, did you know that the Himalayas are, sorry, not Himalayas, the Mount Everest is 8,858 meters high. So I'll print that. See, it asks for what was the above information for. So it was for the height of the Himalayas. Height of the Himalayas. Okay, So to find out, to search this, I'll write once more robot search, and then inside that I'll write this. Now I'm copy pasting this, but if it is already stored and it is not printed here, then I will write it with the keyboard. Now see, it prints out the Mount Everest is 8,858 meters high. As same as the above, you can see this. So this was how to store something inside the brain of an AI. And the main and the last thing is to close the chat. To close the chat, you need to just write bye bye. And it's okay, and second time okay bye. And it breaks out from the chat. So this was all about my AI. Thank you for listening.